Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, finally. Again, work is just crazy. And anyway, so I had some free time this morning to work in my artisan journal for Patty's hashtag artisan journal prompt 2024. And hosted by Patti, Life with Patti. It's an Oprah collaboration that she gives us a prompt every Sunday morning, and we create, we create in our journals. So this is week 16 of Artisan Journal Prompt, and this week it is balloons. Now, everybody, their pages are amazing. All different interpretation of balloons, very good ideas. And I just went to something that I love to do, and that's mainly doing a vintage type of page. And this is what I created. Let me pan out a little bit. So I have these stickers from the Dollar Tree, and they're hot air balloons, and I love hot air balloons. I've never been on one. I've always wanted to be on one, and maybe one day I will have the opportunity to go up on one. I live in Virginia, and they do have air balloon rides and stuff like that, and just never had a chance to do it. So I took some pattern paper that I had in my stash. It's like a vintage music notes type of paper. Then I took the stickers and I just randomly put them on. I had to use berry art to stick them because they weren't super sticky and they were coming off, and I had to redo them. And then I used my stamps from Michael's. I got this like a year or two ago. It's in their stamp section, and I don't know what they're called. I forget what they're called, but these are great to have on hand, and I just stamped up, and away. So that is my journal page for week 16 of hashtag artisan journal prompt 2024. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.